Welcome to Prescribed Fun, your source for mesmerizing medical facts. Today, we're unveiling truths about the human body that might surprise and astound you. Let's get right to it. Brain activity during sleep. When night falls and you surrender yourself to the arms of sleep, your brain comes alive. Far from powering down, the brain is abuzz with activity, performing crucial functions like consolidating the day's experiences into memories and processing information. But there's more. While you're in dreamland, a crucial detoxification process happens in your brain. This process is managed by specialized cells known as glia that control the flow of cerebrospinal fluid throughout the brain, effectively washing away potentially harmful waste proteins that accumulate during waking hours. The implications of this are enormous. Chronic sleep deprivation or disrupted sleep could interrupt this cleaning process, leading to a buildup of these waste proteins. This could possibly manifest as that feeling of brain fog or difficulty concentrating that you may experience after a night of poor sleep. Human bioluminescence. Yes, you heard it right, we humans glow. This might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's a fact. This faint, bioluminescent glow is a byproduct of a metabolic process occurring within our cells known as oxidative phosphorylation. Interestingly, this glow isn't a static phenomenon. Studies have shown that the intensity of the glow fluctuates during a 24-hour cycle, with the highest intensity typically seen in the late afternoon and the lowest around 4 a.m. So, if our eyes could perceive this glow, you might notice that your skin looks its brightest in the late afternoon, possibly when you're feeling your most energetic. Strength of the masseter. When you think of strong muscles, you might think of the biceps or the quads. But the crown for the body's strongest muscle doesn't go to any of these usual suspects. Instead, it goes to a small muscle located in your jaw, the masseter. Despite its small size, the masseter muscle plays a vital role in our ability to eat and speak. Beyond that, it helps maintain the balance and angle of the jaw. So, if you've ever felt a bit of a strain in your jaw after enjoying a large, hard-to-chew meal or after waking up from a night of possible teeth grinding, that's the masseter muscle at work. Imbalances in this muscle's functioning can lead to conditions like temporomandibular joint disorder, TMJ, a condition that can cause pain and discomfort in the jaw joint and muscles controlling jaw movement. Stomach lining renewal. The stomach lining is an unsung hero when it comes to the body's many marvels. This lining regenerates itself every few days, a necessity considering its direct contact with stomach acids that are potent enough to digest food. This rapid regeneration process is driven by stem cells, a special class of cells that have the capacity to develop into many different cell types, effectively helping replenish the lining of the stomach regularly. If you've ever had to recover from a stomach ulcer, a painful condition that involves a breach in the stomach lining, you've directly benefited from this remarkable regenerative process. Complexity of the human genetic code. The human genetic code, the blueprint of life that's stored in each cell of your body, isn't just a static set of instructions. Its complexity extends far beyond the sheer length of this code. For instance, only about 1 to 2% of our genetic code is made up of genes that directly code for proteins, the building blocks of the body. The remaining 98 to 99%, sometimes referred to as junk DNA, is thought to have functions that scientists are still trying to fully understand. These regions might influence everything from your susceptibility to certain diseases, your body's response to different drugs, or even your preferences, behaviors, and idiosyncrasies. The next time you're enjoying a cup of coffee, consider this. Your love for caffeine might actually be influenced by your genetics. The funny bone. That strangely ticklish spot in your elbow, colloquially known as the funny bone, isn't a bone at all. Instead, it's actually the ulnar nerve, one of the longest nerves in the human body. Starting from the neck, it travels all the way down to your hand. An accidental bump to your elbow might cause a strange tingling sensation to radiate down your arm, an interaction with your funny bone. This nerve isn't just about funny feelings, though. It's vital to the sensations you experience and the motor control of your fourth and fifth fingers. Without it, simple tasks like gripping a pencil or typing on a keyboard could become much more difficult. We're at the end of today's journey through the human body. If you found these facts as enthralling as we did, and you're as eager to uncover more hidden truths about the body as we are, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Prescribed Fun. Always remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and all you need is a healthy dose of curiosity. So keep exploring, and we'll see you in our next video.